Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the most colorful and vibrant festival of Telangana, that is Batukamma. Have you ever wondered what makes this festival so unique and special? Well, Batukamma is not just about flowers. It's about celebrating life, womanhood and beauty of nature. It's a festival that brings communities together in joy and devotion. So, join me as we explore the traditions, stories, and the beautiful floral arrangements that makes Batukamma a truly extraordinary celebration. Batukamma is a Hindu flower festival celebrated by the women of Telangana and some parts of Andhra Pradesh. Every year, this festival is celebrated as per the Shatavahana calendar for 9 days, starting on Pitru Amavasya, which usually coincides with month of September to August of the Gregorian calendar. Batukamma is celebrated for 9 days and corresponds to the festivals of Sharad Navaratri and Durga Puja. It starts on the day of Mahalaya Amavasya, and the 9 days festival will culminate on Saddula Batukamma or Pedda Batukamma. Batukamma is followed by Boddamma, which is a 7-day festival. The Boddamma festival that marks the ending of Varsha Rutu, whereas Batukamma marks the beginning of the Sharat Rutu. In Telugu, Batukamma means Mother Goddess come alive. Batukamma is a beautiful flower stack arranged with different unique seasonal flowers, most of them with medicinal values, in 7 concentric layers in shape of the temple Gopuram. It is usually brothers who bring flowers to their mother and sisters to arrange Batukamma. And these Batukamma will celebrate for 9 days. Let us discuss the 9 days of Batukamma. Day 1, Engili Pula Batukamma. First day of festival falls on Mahalaya Amavasya or Petar Amavasya in Telangana region. The food offerings on first day, sesame seeds with rice flour, and the day 2 is Atukula Batukamma. This is falls on Padyami, first day of Ashvayuja Mass, and the food offerings on second day is boiled lentils and jaggery with atkulu, means flattened rice. Day 3, Muddapappu Batukamma. This falls on Vidya, second day of Ashvayuja Masam, and the food offerings are boiled lentils, milk and jaggery. Fourth day, Nana Biyam Batukamma. Fourth day falls on Tadiya, third day of Ashvayuja Masam. Naivedyam, wet rice, milk and jaggery. Atla Batukamma. This is the fifth day. This fifth day falls on Chaturthi, fourth day of Ashvayuja Masam. Food offerings are pancake made from wheatlets or dosa. Sixth day, Aligina Batukamma. Sixth day falls on Panchami, fifth day of Ashvayuja Masam. Today there is no food offerings is made because there is no celebration on this sixth day. Seventh day, Vepakayala Batukamma. Seventh day falls on Shashti, sixth day of Ashvayuja Masam. Food offerings are rice flour shaped into the fruits of neem tree, which is deep fried. And the eighth day, Venna Muddala Batukamma. Eighth day falls on the Saptami, seventh day of Ashvayuja Masam, and the food offerings are sesame, butter and jaggery. And finally, last day, Saddula Batukamma. Ninth day of Batukamma celebration, Ashtami, eighth day of Ashvayuja Masam, and coincides with Durgastami. Food offerings, 5 types of cooked rice dishes, that are curd rice, tamarind rice, lemon rice, coconut rice and sesame rice. And the significance of Saddula Batukamma, The festival is celebrated for 9 days and concludes on Durgashtami. The last day of festival is called Saddula Batukamma. On this final day, immersion of Batukamma in water bodies is celebrated with utmost decoration, devotion, and enthusiasm with rhythmic drum beats throughout Telangana. The evening offers a beautiful, calming, and peaceful visual treat. Gauramma, a symbolic idol of Gauri made of turmeric, is taken back from Batukamma before immersion, and every married woman applies a paste on her Mangal Sutra that marks the solemnization of her marriage, and also her husband is protected from all evils and ill facts. For 9 days, each day a special Naivedyam or a special dish is prepared and offered to the goddess. General ingredients of the dishes are corn, sorghum, bajra, black gram, bengal gram, green gram, groundnuts, sesame, wheat, rice, cashew, jaggery, milk, etc. A combination of roti and jaggery is prepared on this day and distributed at the end of the event. Have you liked this topic? Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.